In this video, we're going to be talking about premature or rapid ejaculation. Rapid ejaculation actually occurs in 26 to 77% of men who have chronic pelvic pain syndrome or chronic prostatitis. So in this video, I'm going to go over what premature ejaculation is, what are the potential causes, and then I'm going to share with you one tip to work with premature ejaculation and a resource if this particular issue is distressing for you, your partner, or your relationship. So what is premature or rapid ejaculation? Well, according to research, the formal definition is any unwanted ejaculation that occurs before or within 1 minute of penetration, or it's just the inability to delay ejaculation when you want. This occurs in men 20 to 30% worldwide. Now, is this distressing for some men? It can be. Is it not distressing for some men? For sure. It's a problem only if it's distressing for you as an individual, your partner, and/or your relationships. I'd like to say that rapid ejaculation and premature ejaculation has a lot of social stigma and a lot of social pressure. Men in general are taught to perform, and there's a lot of internalized sexual health messages around what that performance should look like. There are some men who have a V12 engine. There are other men who have a 4-cylinder. And in any one lifespan or any one sexual encounter, you may experience a V12 and a 4-cylinder in that context. That doesn't mean that there's something wrong with you or that there's something that's not normal about your sexual performance. So I just want to put that out there to really squash some of the myths and the socially stigmatized and pressurized concepts around what male sexual function and performance should look like. Now, that being said, if rapid ejaculation is distressing for you or in your relationship, then it's certainly something that we want to address and help so that you can connect with your sexual identity and your relationships in a nourishing and positive way. So what are some of the potential causes for premature ejaculation? Well, one of the causes might be just an overly sensitive glands or the head of the penis. There can also be a shift in the neurotransmitter of serotonin. It acts like a hormone as well. So if that is decreased in your body, you may experience a quicker ejaculation. Genetics can also play into this. Psychosocial factors, so the psychological influences and the social cultural influences around sexual function. You may experience a change in ejaculation with medications or withdrawal from medications, recreational drugs, thyroid disorders, erectile difficulties, chronic pelvic pain, pelvic muscle coordination, dysfunction, and decreased body awareness. These can all potentially be causes. They're potential causes, not necessarily conclusive based on the literature. So here's one thing that you might want to try solo and/or with your partner. It's called guided masturbation. It's also named as the start-stop technique. What you want to do in this activity is put the pressure to perform off to the side. This is not about performance or any goal-oriented outcome. What you want to do with this is just explore touching your penis, your scrotum, your genitals. Just touch your sexual organs with curiosity. Play with different stroke styles, pressures, lubrication, friction, the intensity. You can stimulate your penis in a way that, again, just allows you to be present with the sensations. So you're tuning into your body and what those sensations feel like. When you feel that you're reaching that point of no return, stop, pause, take a couple of deep breaths, sit with those sensations, and allow things to calm down just for a little bit. Once you feel that things are calm, you can restart the activity and continue with self-touch exploration. You may want to practice this several times, again, where you're touching, self-stimulating, ramping up to the point of no return and then backing away. So you don't want to go past that threshold, you want to go towards it and then back off. And then when you're ready to ejaculate on your own terms, then you can finish when you want. Another great resource to help you with premature ejaculation is a book called Coping with Premature Ejaculation. This book, the authors are Michael Metz and Barry McCarthy. This is a fabulous read with wonderful ideas and more information on the topic of premature ejaculation. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button below. This will help other guys in your situation also find these resources sooner than later. If you're a penis owner who's currently struggling with pelvic pain, you're not alone. Check out the Men's DIY Pelvic Pain Relief Program. The link is in the description below.